Stat 701 Experimental Design. Students, as we have completed our session first, function relation among variables, session second, regression analysis, simple, multiple, linear, session third, curve fitting, session fourth, correlation analysis, simple, partial, and multiple. And now we are going to complete our session fifth, estimation of parameters, point and interval estimation, testing of hypothesis, tests of independence, and tests of goodness of fit. Today we will discuss about estimation of parameters, point and interval estimation. Let's start about estimation. Students, statistical inference or inferential statistics is process of drawing inference about population on the basis of sample data. There are some notations for sample data and as well as for population data. First of all, for sample data, n is sample size, x bar is sample mean, s square is biased sample variance, whereas small s square is unbiased sample variance. Capital S is sample standard deviation, P is sample population, S over x bar is S by n under root is sample standard error. So these are all notations for sample data. And now are the notations for population data as under. Capital N is population size, mu is population mean, sigma square is population variance, whereas sigma is population standard deviation, pi is population proportion, alpha is level of significance, while 1 minus alpha is level of confidence or confidence interval. So these are the notation about the population data. Thus, process of drawing inference about population on the basis of sample data is of two types: estimation and testing of hypothesis. Estimation is the process in which we obtain the value of unknown population with the help of sample data. It means estimation is to guess when we confuse and not know about the exact figures or values of a population. Population is totality while sample is small part of population. Thus, to use sample data to estimate population parameter is estimation. Estimate is numeric value of estimator, whereas estimator is rule, formula, or function that tells us how to calculate or estimate. There are two types of estimations: point estimation and interval estimation. When estimate for no when estimate for unknown population parameter is expressed by single value, it is called point estimate. Whereas interval estimate is when an estimate for unknown population parameter is expressed by a range of values within which the population parameter is expected to occur is called an interval estimate. For example, when we find estimate for population mean mu, we use sample mean x bar is equal to summation x over n. It is value formula or function is called estimator. Suppose x bar is 10. 10 is numeric value of estimator is called an estimate, and our answer is a single numeric form is also called point estimator. Whole process is estimation.